Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Highlander key fob. Here's what you need. You need one of these replacement batteries. This takes one of these 2032 batteries, and you can get these off Amazon. They're really inexpensive, and there's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. And then like a small screwdriver like that is helpful, something just to pry the actual battery out. Okay, so first thing you want to do is, this is the actual emergency key. You need to remove that, press this down like that, pull that out. At this point, you can take this key, there's a little slot right here, stick that in there, push, twist. You can be very gentle with it. Alright, at this point, take your screwdriver and just very gently pry that up. And there is your dead 2032 battery, and you can pop it up right there. And you can see it actually says CR2032 right there. A little bit of a glare. And plus side up. So take your new battery, plus side up. That's usually the one with the writing on it. And then that just goes right back in like this. And to test it, make sure you've done it right. Squeeze that together, and you can press these buttons. Make sure your little red light goes off there, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.